I really hope all of you are safe. I hope this pandemic gets over as soon as possible. Now we are all first missing our classroom lecturers, and the students must be missing their classes. And first, it is very important responsibility we have as teachers, and we need to import our students with our course material. At this particular time, when regular classes have been suspended, we need to resolve to our solution, and online classes are definitely one such solution. You all must be daring to sum out the other phase, and you must be using online classes in the course of the FDP. We have research actually take you to list of softwares and tools that we can readily use in your teaching learning experience. Now the first tool that I will be taking up is Google Classroom. This is the product offered by Google that can serve as replica or a virtual classroom of the real classroom space, the physical classroom space that we have. Now ask teachers, when we enter the classroom, we have some course materials to provide to the students, and also we take their assessments through assignments and quizzes, questionnaires, and various other formats. We grade them regularly. Google Classroom provides you a suite of all of these features. It is a structured tool through which we can manage our source, work, and contents. It can also help us in communicating and collaborating with our tools. Google Classroom has a sum of silent features. They are facilitates organization of course content in digital form. It supports assessment through assignments and quizzes, maintains gradebook. It is free of cost. It is accessible anywhere. Students' progress can be tracked, and discussion forums to enable communication. Before I start building a classroom, you all starts building classroom. I will give you glimpse of classroom that I created for my students during their particular time. Now I take physics learning for BSc students second year. These are the list of students. Here, these are the list of students that I have created here, that have, and this is some classwork that I have posted. This one classwork that I have posted for them. These are several topics that I have touched them during this particular time. You can see I have added some assignments, questions here, assignments, quizzes, and some questions, tests. Then there are some videos that are created for my students. Here I have created videos for my students. For example, see here. This is about PowerPoint. This is about written quiz. And some assignments are there. You all will be able to do some same for your students. Here, now I would request you to stay tuned and stay safe, and in the next video we start building our own classroom. Thank you so much.